Scientists discovered a secret layer inside Earth. What's hiding there? What if I told you that everything we thought we knew about Earth's core was wrong? For decades, scientists believed the Earth had 4 layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. But recent discoveries have revealed a hidden 5th layer deep inside the planet. And here is where things get truly bizarre. Some scientists believe this mysterious layer could be evidence of an ancient planetary collision. Others think it might hold clues to Earth's earliest history, secrets we were never supposed to find. But what if there is something even stranger down there, something science cannot explain? Let's dive into the mystery and find out what is really hiding deep beneath our feet. The traditional model of Earth's core. For a long time, scientists thought Earth's structure was fairly simple. First, you have the crust, the solid outer layer we live on. Beneath that is the mantle, a layer of hot, flowing rock. Then there is the outer core, made of liquid metal, which generates Earth's magnetic field. And finally, at the very center, the inner core, a solid ball of iron and nickel under extreme pressure. But that is where things get weird, because deep inside the inner core, scientists have found something they never expected: the discovery of Earth's hidden 5th layer. Using seismic wave data from massive earthquakes, researchers detected anomalies, strange readings that did not match what they expected from the inner core. After years of study, they realized something shocking. Beneath the known inner core, there is another, even deeper core, a structure completely separate, with a different composition and properties. Some call it the innermost core, but what exactly it is made of and how it got there remains a total mystery. And here is where it gets even stranger. Could it be a remnant of an ancient planet? Some scientists believe this hidden layer might be a remnant of an ancient planetary collision. Billions of years ago, Earth may have crashed into another protoplanet, just like how the Moon was formed. If true, this hidden core could be a preserved fragment of that long-lost planet. But there is an even wilder theory. What if it is not just a leftover fragment? What if something survived down there? Theories about a hidden energy source. Some researchers suggest this inner core might be generating its own magnetic field, separate from Earth's outer core. If true, this could mean there is a hidden energy source deep beneath our feet, one that could change everything we know about Earth's magnetic field and how it protects us from solar radiation. But here is the real question. If this secret layer has been hidden from us for so long, what else could be buried down there? The hollow Earth theory, a wild possibility. For centuries, myths and legends have spoken of underground civilizations and hollow spaces deep within the Earth. Most scientists dismiss these ideas as pure fantasy. But what if ancient myths were based on real but misunderstood discoveries? What if the hidden core is not just a layer of metal but something more complex, something unknown? We have never actually seen Earth's core. Everything we know about it is based on indirect measurements. So how can we be sure there is not something down there that we simply cannot explain? Yet what this means for the future, if scientists can unlock the secrets of this hidden layer, it could change everything we know about Earth's formation, its magnetic field, and even its future. But there is one problem. We might never be able to physically reach it. The pressure and heat make it impossible to drill that deep. For now, the innermost core remains a hidden secret buried beneath our feet. So the question is, what else are we missing? If this discovery blew your mind, hit subscribe for more mysteries of the universe. And tell me in the comments, do you think something unknown is hidden deep inside the Earth?